This is summer, right? We need to slay. We need to slay. Hello gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. If it's your first time tuning in, you're welcome. So today I'm revealing this unit from Labhairs. This is their Burgundy 99 color human hair lace front wig. I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box. You can see this. You feel this, right? You feel this? The hair is 30 by 6 transparent lace wig. So if you use my code to buy this wig, you're going to get $25 off, which is a good deal. And the wig is so stunning. You can coil it if you want. You're going to see I showed everything about the wig, how the wig came before I installed it. You're going to see everything. So without me talking too much, and gorgeous, let's move ahead to this video. Watch the unboxing of this hair and how I install this unit, and I will see you guys in my next one. Enjoy.
No stress, though they're waiting. I keep them.
So this is the hair, it's 24 inches. You can see it came with baby hairs and the front hairline. You see it came pre-plucked. And you guys can see it's a transparent lace and the color is burgundy color, red, so good, straight. One thing I like is so soft and silky. Before I install it, I would like to put a parting. Like you guys know, I like center part, so I would like to put a center part here. Then I'll twist the part. I'm going to twist the part, and the lace is very long. Let me turn the inside for you guys to see.
I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide.
You guys can see the construction of the inside, and the lace is very long. Let me bend my thing for you guys to see. You see how long it is. You can put your part as long as you want up to this place. You see, and they added some combs here by the side for you to hold it firmly to your scalp. You see, there's about 4 combs. There's one at the back. Then also it came with an adjustable strap, detachable. You can remove this if you want. This is the back. You see the back, there is a small lace here at the back. You see there's a comb here as well, and adjustable strap, extra adjustable strap, this one here. And with this you can pack your hair ponytail if you want to pack it ponytail. I like it that they added a little lace at the back. And one thing I like with the lace, you guys can see it, you can see some tiny holes in the lace. Can you guys see through? There are some tiny holes. I like it. With this, your hair, you can receive air in your head. With this summer, sometimes you'll be sweating under your head if you wear wig. I like it that there is hole in the net they use all over the wig. But you can see from this side, it's transparent and it has some holes. Even this one that is a little bit dark, it's like they lack this one. It's like this one is 2 in 1. You can see it has hole as well inside. And this side is transparent. You can see the hair. And the construction of the wig is very, very neat. You can see the inside, very neat, very, very neat. And also the lace is transparent, like I said. You see, transparent lace. You see it on my skin. You can see when I'm combing it, it combs freely, doesn't tangle. You can see the hair comb so freely, no tangling. I'm combing it with this comb. You can see the teeth of the comb is tight, not that wide. And you see the way comb easily does not tangle. I'm sure the density of this hair is 180 density. I think so. I'm going to check. I'm sure it's 180 density. So this is the baby hair. I want to put it on center part. And I want the part to be very long, so long. Before I twist it, I want to add the hair moves to it. You guys know if any wig comes pre-plucked, I'm always happy because it's not easy to twist hair. It's not easy at all. Is this thing straight? Let's see. I'm going to twist little from the center. So guys, I'll twist from the center, then little from the front, then I'll come back to show you guys the final result. Okay, so this is it. I did not do much with it because it came already pre-plucked. I just plucked little. So this is it on.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time.
I'm contemplating if I should bring out baby hairs or not. Something in my mouth. Let me brush it first to see. Maybe I should just bring little, because this kind of hair, red hair like this, I don't like bringing out baby hairs. So if I don't bring out baby hairs, this is how it will look like. Now should I put the pattern at the corner? Let's see here. I'm changing my mind. Let me put it at the corner.
I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time.
So I want to put the pattern by the side like this. Take it better. Instead of doing center, let's do a little change.
Body can dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them.
Let's do this. I just needed to do something different. Then, you know what? I'm going to put little gel in the front here, then slay baby hairs.
Yeah, Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long.
I'm going to take hair mousse and add to the front. I know you guys can feel what I am doing. Okay, I'll spray got to be blue because I want this part to stand. So how I install my wigs is really different from other people. I have a way of installing my wigs that sometimes I don't even need to like glue the whole head down. So I just decide to put it by the side like this and take this side upward. So this is the finished look of this wig.